Welcome back. We're gonna do a couple, I think I'm probably gonna do 2 videos. So I'm gonna start with this because this was a oopsie. Somebody ordered something and I was like, let me make it and see, but you know what, it's okay. This can go on the table. This would be the 3rd installment of that green aventurine with the gold. I didn't like that it came out so translucent, but someone will love it. Okay, so I made this and I'm excited because it was an accident made because it was the leftover green from that. But I think I finally got the answer to how, yes, to eliminate the bubbles. I think I finally figured it out, because this mold, I always end up with really big bubbles on the back, and they're not like resin pouring bubbles like how these little ones here are, but it's like air pocket bubbles in the mold. But I think I finally figured it out. Anyways, this is a black, green, and gold, yes, I'm missing a nail, cigar rest. And it's like a subtle green. It's not like too bright and braggadocious, you know, but if you look on it real good, you can see the green. Yeah, we did one before and it was very similar, but that one was more of like a swirled color. All right, so for the order, I did get a Palo Santo request, and that was another reason why I had to remake it, because I completely forgot about this. And I want them to be the same shade, so sometimes because I don't measure, the shades can be off. But this is the Palo stand for the order, and this is the this is the incense holder that was ordered. This is the one that I will be sending. Oh, this is so good. Yes, 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 yes. A part of me wants to be OCD and like drop some resin where the gold has like some pockets, because when you're doing gold flakes, if you're doing it straight to the mold like I did, there is a chance that it might lift, and that's what happens. So anywhere that you see like a what you call it, a pocket, is because the gold lifted while it was doing the resting and all that good stuff. It shifts, it doesn't stay the same, because as it cures it pulls. But I'm in love. So one more thing, I wanted to make this because it was gold, and I was like, I feel like this is the gold that I've been looking for. It's not the gold that I have, but it's like the last of this gold. Anyways, I figure why not, you know, that song say it's a gold line. Yeah. And we got like the good typical, you know, anatomically correct is it anatomically? Yes, anatomy, yes, anatomically correct. So we have our, you know, the glands and everything, and then we just have, you know, like the song say, it's a gold line. Yeah, a line and a goal. But yeah, that's that. I'm excited. And then we have our custom request. Actually, no, our custom request. I'm fuck around and send the wrong one. Yeah, it's this one. See, you can even see the color difference. Like, it's more dense. The table one, and we have a cigar rest. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, watch all the videos, follow us on socials, come to a class, pour with me, you know. And whether you got it on purpose or by faith, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.